What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back in the Supra. Now I would like to start this video with a sorry if it's not as good as the others. I'm still getting used to this new camera, so I'm hoping that it is better, but let's see how we go. But for today's video, we're actually going to be doing a how to remove your A, B and C pillars in the Supra. I have got a project coming up next week that I need these out for, so join me and let's rip them out. I know they're a little bit difficult, and like I've said before, with these 90s JDM cars, the plastics are very brittle and old, so we've got to be careful. So let's jump on in and I'll show you how to pull them out. Alright guys, so to get these out, we're going to have to kind of work our way from the back to the front. Now, first of all, you're going to have to whip off this panel, 4 screws at the top, slides off. Then these, 1 screw, 2, 3, 4, take that out, then this comes out. Then you're going to have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on this panel, pull that one out, and then you're at the fun bit. Now, what we have to do is whip your back seats out. If you don't know how to pull your back seats out, the front panel literally pulls up and rips out. This is my stereo. It's ugly, but it works amazing. I'll go through this in a different video. Now, seat, rip the front up, back, lean it forward, and you can take out your bolts and pull it out. Sorry, I don't have a back seat, so I can't exactly show you how to do that, but these are your 2 main bolts. And I think there's one in there and there's a locating pin there. So whip them out, you don't need them in the way. From there, we need to take out 1 screw here, 2 down here, 3 is that one there, and then on the other side of this corner, just in the doorway, there's a 4th, okay? Then you have to pull your speaker grill out. Your speaker grill literally pops out. Actually, I may be able to do it while you're sitting right here. That's how easy it is. Get that bad boy out, then you've got 2 screws there, 1 on the top right, 1 on the bottom left. Don't worry about this disgusting speaker, I'm whipping it out. It's actually not plugged in at the moment. From there, you have clips along this edge that you'll need to pop out, and you have some clips at the front. I think there is, on that front panel, there's about 3 there, and I think that's actually it. Be careful as you're popping them out. As we know, the plastics are brittle. Once you've pulled that one out, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws under there. You've got 2 screws at the top here, and you've already pulled this one out to get this panel out. Then you've got to take your seat belt off, 16mm socket on that. That little cover there flips up from the bottom, like that. You'll be able to get to that. What I've done in the past, and you'll see on this side, pull the seat belt over the seat so that it doesn't retract fully, and then you have a real pain trying to pull that out, okay? Once you've pulled all that out, it should pop down. Then you've literally got this panel here, which is your A pillar, or goes down to your A pillar. You just gently pull it out of the clips and pull it out the front, and it slides out. There's no screws holding that piece in whatsoever, so don't worry about that. So let's jump in. That was a call about the crown front left wheel. It is perfect, back to fix. We're gonna go get it as soon as I finish pulling these out. Now look guys, I always recommend using these, but on these little plastics in the Supras, they are a pain. You'll put a lot of pressure on these to pull them out. I get a terminal screwdriver, gently slide it to the side, and then just a little, like literally the weight of the screwdriver will pull it out. So as much as it's not the right tool, it's the right tool. So you might find it a lot easier to pull those little plastics out with these. Okay, so the difference on the passenger side of the car is you've got the Jesus handle there. So we have to remove that first, okay? So to do that, I'll show you. You've just got to take out 2 screws, but you've got to take the actual handle off first. That's how you do it, guys. So there's a little clip in here. If you get a very skinny screwdriver, I'll show you here. Sorry if it's hard to see, but yeah, there's a little clip in here. You can see the underside of it right there. You just got to push that up and then it gives you access to these 2 screws. So whip these 2 screws out. And then it's as easy as just clipping it out. And we're out. That's it. Put these away. And find the one that came out. That's us done, boys. So that's it. It's that easy. Now, first time you go in, you might think, oh, gotta pull all these panels out. Don't worry about it, you'll smash it. You get it done easy. Be gentle with the clips. Don't be surprised if you break 1 or 2. It can happen. Don't stress. All those screws do hold them in very tight. Now, that's pretty much it for today's video. This is actually a precursor video, if that's the right term, for me going to suede wrap my A, B, and C pillar panels. I love the look. I've always loved the look and decided to just send it. So if you need to pull them out for whatever reason, that's how you do it. And if you want to follow along and do this as well, let's do it. This is my first time suede wrapping panels. So I've researched it, I've had a look into how I should be doing it properly, cleaning it, prepping it, things like that. So we'll do that in the next video. Thank you for coming along. Please like, please subscribe, share it around. Let's get this channel going. And guys, the community that I am starting, I decided to go with the first option, the first suggestion of the name, Letterlegion Legends. I'm gonna make a Facebook group for everyone to share all their rides, positive community, car meets, all things like that. So I'll be setting it up in a few days. Have a look around, see if you find it, join it, bring your friends. Let's make this big. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.